Hi, everybody. Welcome to week 16, our last week for the semester and for our course content. So, for week 16, it's just our final exam week. So, let's go ahead and look through what the overview of this week will be. So, for week 16, what we're going to do is just take our practice final exam and our final exam and make sure to submit your final exam work no more than 15 minutes after your exam. Okay, so those are the only two things going on this week. We'll get more into details about how those two assignments work. But if you're watching this video, you know you can find this video below under week 16 video. But let's keep going through this week 16 module. So for week 16, we have this practice exam. So this practice exam is going to be due by like next Monday. Just to give you guys some more time. I know some of you guys work during the week and you need the weekend to utilize your assignments. So I'm gonna just push it back to next Monday by midnight. Just try to complete it by then. And there's about 34 questions. So make sure to check those out. You know, helps you prepare. It's more on the content from chapter 5 and 6. Helps you prepare for the final exam. So make sure to check it out. Try out these problems. We have until next Monday to complete it. Okay, so let me scroll down to the final exam. So here's the final exam. Once again, you have until next Monday to complete it because I know some of you guys work during the week, but I'm opening up it today because I know some of you might just want to complete the exam, final exam or practice exam this week as soon as possible. So you can be done with this class and focus on other classes or just be done with the semester in general. So I'm going to open it up today. Same rules apply. You have a time limit of uh, here I'm upping it to 2 hours and 45 minutes because it is a final exam, just to give you guys some more time to work on problems that might not be fresh in your memory. Hopefully doing the practice exam, they'll be a little more clear, but just giving you guys a little more time. I know in the last exam you guys were saying you wish you had more time. So I'm just giving that a little more time this time to complete the final exam. But you have until next Monday to do it in case you gotta wait for the weekend. But like once again, if you want to complete it as soon as possible, feel free to. Okay, so same rules apply. Let me preview this a little bit. It mainly covers chapters 5 and 6, like I said, with a practice exam. You got 2 hours and 45 minutes to do it. Clock won't stop. You got to write down a solution to each question and submit each question. That shows me that you're actually doing the problem and that you're not just using a, generative source, and that I can give you a correct grade if when I'm regrading this, instead of just a 0. Okay, so make sure to submit that within 15 minutes. If you don't got a problem, work for a problem, it's a 0. And then let me know if you have any questions, but the same rules apply. Just this time, you got more of a time limit. So let me go back to the module. And since this is our last week, I'm not gonna have you guys do a discussion for the final exam. Just once you take the final exam, that's it. Make sure you submit your final exam work. And then, no more 15 minutes. Otherwise, it's a 0. Some of you guys, that's happened to some of you guys before, so watch out for that. Okay. And then that's pretty much it, right? Just practice exam, final exam, and then you're pretty much done with the course. You'll be done with your applied calculus course credit. Hopefully makes you take a well-deserved break this winter, get some time off. But pretty much all I got for you guys today in this video. Just two quick things. Let me know if you have any questions. And if I don't see you guys again, good luck with everything and have a good holiday season. Okay. Thank you. Bye.